Hello. Welcome back to another tutorial video of BSS Commerce. In today's video, we will show you how to integrate Google Analytics 4 into your Magento store via Google Analytics 4 ID. This method allows you to easily and quickly connect with Google Analytics 4 without the support of Google Tag Manager. No technical knowledge is required. Later in this video, we will compare the difference between integrating directly via Google Analytics 4 ID and via Google Tag Manager. Part 1, How to integrate Google Analytics 4 via Google Analytics 4 ID. Step 1, Set up Google Analytics 4. First, sign into your Google Analytics account. Then create a new Google Analytics 4 property to track your Magento website. Step 2, copy the measurement ID, aka the Google Analytics 4 ID. Step 3, connect Google Analytics 4 to Magento. First, you need to install BSS Commerce's Google Analytics 4 module, since our module is the only one that supports migrating via GA4 ID on the market. In your Magento 2 admin panel, navigate to Store Configuration. In the left-hand navigation menu, expand the BSS Commerce section and choose Google Analytics 4. Paste the Google Analytics 4 ID you just copied in the Measurement ID field, then click Save Config. And that's done. Now you can track your website data in your Google Analytics account. Part 2, Migrate via GA4 ID versus GTM, which is better? Let's look at the steps to connect to Google Analytics 4 via GA4 ID versus GTM. As you can see, it only takes 3 simple steps when using GA4 ID, while it takes 5 complicated steps when using GTM. Thus, the winner is GA4 ID. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching.